In a world that thrives on convenience and technology, this Echo Dot, 5th generation, with clock, paired with the Sengled Smart Color Bulb, stands out as a perfect gateway into the world of smart home living. This bundle is not just about adding smart devices to your home, it's about transforming your everyday life into something effortless, efficient, and modern. Let's dive into every nook and cranny of what makes this bundle a must-have. What makes this bundle special? Number 1. Ultimate convenience with voice control. At the heart of this bundle lies the Echo Dot, 5th generation, an Alexa-enabled smart speaker with a built-in clock. This isn't your typical speaker, it's your personal assistant. Whether you want to set reminders, control smart devices, or even just check the weather, the Echo Dot is ready to make your life easier. Gone are the days of fumbling for switches or pulling out your phone. Everything is hands-free and instant. Number 2. Sengled Smart Color Bulb. Lights that match your mood. The Sengled Smart Color Bulb is the cherry on top of this bundle. It isn't just a light bulb, it's a customizable lighting solution. With millions of colors and brightness settings, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Hosting a party? Bring the vibes with vibrant, playful colors. Watching a movie? Dim the lights to a cozy hue for a cinematic feel. Working from home? Opt for bright, live daylight tones to boost productivity. This bulb is compatible with the Alexa app, making it easy to automate, schedule, and adjust your lighting preferences at any time. Number 3. Aesthetic and functional design. The Echo Dot, 5th generation, isn't just smart. It's stylish. The sleek cloud blue finish gives it a modern edge that fits seamlessly into any decor. The LED clock display is not only functional for checking the time, but also adds a minimalist touch to your space. The Sengled Smart Bulb, with its understated yet powerful design, complements the Echo Dot beautifully. Together, they're not just functional devices, they're statement pieces. Setting up, as easy as 1, 2, 3. Setting up this bundle is an effortless process, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Here's how to get started. 1. Update your Echo Dot. Ensure your Echo Dot is set up and updated by saying, "Alexa, check for updates." 2. Install the Sengled Smart Bulb. Screw the bulb into your desired light fixture and power it on. 3. Connect via Alexa app. Open the Alexa app and it will automatically detect the bulb. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to finish the setup. Pro tip: create custom lighting groups in the Alexa app, such as living room or study, to control multiple lights simultaneously. What's new in the Echo Dot 5th generation? This isn't just another iteration of the Echo Dot. Amazon has made significant upgrades, improved sound quality. The 5th generation offers deeper bass, clearer vocals, and richer sound than any previous version. Whether you're streaming music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the audio quality is exceptional. Privacy first. With multiple layers of privacy controls, including a microphone off button, you can rest assured your data is secure. Energy efficiency. The Echo Dot automatically adjusts its power usage, making it one of the most eco-friendly smart speakers on the market. Why you'll love this bundle? Number 1. It's built for everyday life. Imagine waking up to the soft glow of a sunrise-colored light, your favorite morning playlist already playing, and the time displayed conveniently on your Echo Dot. This bundle turns ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. Number 2. It saves time and energy. With voice control and automation, you can schedule lights to turn off when you leave for work or dim automatically in the evenings. The energy efficiency of the Sengled Smart Bulb ensures you save on electricity bills without compromising quality. Number 3. It grows with you. This bundle is just the beginning of your smart home journey. Add more Sengled bulbs, smart plugs, or even a Ring doorbell and control them all seamlessly through Alexa. Use cases, real-life scenarios. Number 1. Movie nights made magical. Transform your living room into a home theater. Dim the Sengled Smart Bulb to 30%, set it to a cool blue hue, and let the Echo Dot stream cinematic soundtracks for the ultimate experience. Number 2. Productivity boosters. Working late? Adjust the light to a bright daylight setting to keep your focus sharp. Use the Echo Dot to set timers and reminders to stay on track. Number 3. Stress-free hosting. Impress your guests with vibrant, color-changing lights synced to your playlist. Use Alexa to adjust the ambiance without interrupting the flow of your gathering. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.